Welcome to another stream thing. Hi, my name is Rose, and I don't think that there was anyone here yet because I started this a half hour late without announcement. So I'm going to go make some announcements right now. Um, ba 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 ba. Oh hey, Ellie. Hi, welcome. Um, Lovely to have you here. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Okay. Let's let's make some announcements. Twitter, Facebook. What are the other platforms? I don't know. I have flowers. Unsurprisingly, I'm late coming back from the graduation. I really should have expected that. I don't know why I didn't. Here we are. Okay, why are things taking a long time to load? Yikes, I know I'm streaming, but... Ba-ba-bow, ba-bow. Do-do-do-do-do. Do 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 ba do 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 boo ba ba da 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 ba ba da ba da ba do do do. That's in my Passaggio. Anyway, okay, I gotta focus on making a thing, so I'm gonna make a thing. Hey everyone, if you would come join me as we continue smashing blocks together in Unity. Twitch.tv/me, Yari Veltan. Starting now. Cool. I made that post. Gonna make a post on Twitter. Tweet. Send that out. Send it out to oh, that's cute. Okay, so I posted to Facebook, I posted to Twitter. We're gonna shut those things down. Get out of here, Facebook. Get out of here, Twitter. You're corporate mongers and we hate you. We just use you because, well, the revolution hasn't happened yet. It's starting, I guess, kind of. I don't know. I mean, like, if you look at, I shouldn't clap in front of a microphone. If you look at Mastodon is arguably a pretty good example, although at the same time, the creator of Mastodon is kind of a douchebag. So there's that. But there's a lot of good people on that team. Like, you know, running Mastodon.social. Oh, I should look up the name of the person who was whose YouTube tutorials I did for the Unity game. Oh, that sounds interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. I want to look at the user, so I want to look up. It's language processing is hard. Saying things at the same time as thinking about them. I'm trying to look up. What am I trying to look up? I'm trying to look up the Unity guy. So I want to look up Unity tutorial. I'm sure it'll pop up like right away. Yeah, it's literally the first one. Yeah, it's Brackeys. Okay, I thought it was Brackeys. Okay, so I'm gonna plug Brackeys channel in this one, game dev tutorials. This person has some really great, really great tutorials. Okay, and hopefully, oh, I haven't done that. But if I switch over to here, yeah, there it is. Right down there. There should be text over there. I got that working. That's exciting. I'm excited about it. I don't know if I want it on this screen yet. I haven't really decided if I want text over here. I'm gonna kind of wait for some people to show up, maybe fix my hair a bit more because I'm obsessed with having my hair right. I was gonna post on Discord because there's a couple Discord groups, including the one that you are here from, Ellie. Also, how are you if you are listening? Hey y'all. Stream is happening now. Thanks for patience. Hope you can still join tonight. Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. So we got that, we got, gotta have my music possibilities up. And it looks like we have some more people here now, so that's cool. Well, it did look like we had more people. This thing, the Twitch stuff is like really weird about how it updates. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on. It's like just not that great. But it looks like the chat thing was working in the thing that I set up. So, okay. Let's see, here we go. I got my flowers. I got my me. I should plug in some headphones. That's probably a good idea. That's usually how this works best. I should also make sure that my audio is set up properly. I don't think it is right now, which is not the best. So let's fix that. Also, I can turn that off. Okay. Cool. We in it. I should, maybe start Unity. It's usually a good first step, right? Starting the program that we're using to make things. Maybe. I could just chat on here all night, talk about random things, like how the graduation was really freaking cool. It was amazing to see so many people there. So many people that I knew that I didn't actually think I would see. So that was, it was really, really, really sweet. There was a bit of a remembrance memorial for community, wonderful community member and worker, Sheltrice, who died in the last year. And that was really sweet. And it was just lovely. And like I have these really pretty flowers now, and I'm always happy about that. It was a good time. Okay, Unity is starting up. Well, it's doing that. Let me quick make sure my sound is all set. Okay. Skip new version for now. Let's make sure the sound is set up properly. Sound, output. I want it to go to the multi-output device. Hello, Dev. Lovely to see you here. Welcome. Hey, guess what I have set up? Oh, hey, there we go. Okay, it kind of works. Look, your chat's at the bottom of the screen. I got that set up. I'm really excited about that. I should probably figure out why Unity isn't showing up though. Maybe I changed it. Hi, Jessica. Yeah, it's pretty shiny. Okay. There we go. Oh, I should get it needs a background. Uh-oh. It really needs a background. Okay. Twitch chat. Properties. Okay, wait. I can fix this. I can fix this. Doesn't have a background right now. That's a problem. I want Streamlabs dashboard, and we want to go over here and fix the Twitch chat setup. Yeah, Stream Shinies. I got the little chat thing down there. I have flowers, which is very. I'm happy about that. Okay, dashboard. Here we go. There we go. I want the widget spit, and I want my stream. Where are you? Chat box. There we go. And it should already be running. And I want I thought there was a way to put a background thing on it here. Well, that's okay. I can fix that in OBS, actually. I can make this not transparent. Oop. No. What? Wow, okay, this is a question. How to get it so that Unity doesn't cover this whole thing? Wow, is it really that bad, Jessica? That's really frustrating. Yeah, no, AT&T is awful and a evil super mega corporation of evilness. Add filter. No, I don't want that. Close. Okay, here. We'll just add maybe there's a way I can go properties. Show window shadow is a thing I can do on that, but not on this. Wait, Jessica, are you like always in downtown LA? Because if that's the case, why is this not Background color is not shown on your streaming software. Great. Okay, sure. But then if that's the case, I want a background. Twitch chat box background. Okay. Background tutorial. Okay. So I want to go over there. I want to go to my thing. Yep, I got that. Come to this page. Yep. I have to do custom CSS. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to find a way to get the Twitch background thing working. Like there was only so much testing I could do of this when I was off screen. And it looks like there's a way to do it. It's going to take me about 3 seconds, a bit more than that. Where am I putting this? Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Hopefully. Okay. Thank you for your patience, everyone. I'm trying to get the chat working. Okay. Okay, yeah, Jessica, I was like, you're a local person, I thought, but okay, that makes more sense. What are you over in why can't I boxed? No, I don't want that. Clean. No. Twitch. Custom CSS. I thought there was a custom CSS button. Thank you for your patience. This is taking longer than I thought it would. This is not that hard. It shouldn't be. That should have a custom CSS button. Why does that not have a custom CSS button? I don't know. Why don't you have a custom CSS button? Old school? That's not what I want. I want this. That's not working. Put your background. This is for people who will not show up in your streaming software. Yeah, but I want it in my streaming software. That you're wrong. Okay, this is Streamlabs chat box overlay. Yeah, I got that. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's at the bottom. Enable custom CSS, enabled. Save settings. Where, how do you... It's supposed to immediately load that. I feel like the Do It Wi-Fi is being slower than it should right now. It's not letting me change the setting that I need to change for this. That's really frustrating. Okay, well, I have a temporary fix for this that I can do in about a very short amount of time. So here we go. We're going to do that. We're going to go, we're going to just do this, and we're going to go like this, and I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do, none of you have any idea what I'm doing, so I don't know why I'm saying I'm doing this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, okay, browse, I'm just going to put a picture behind it with less. Okay, there we go. See, now I can do this. Bada-bow. Then, theoretically, I'll resize that. And hopefully I can adjust the opacity. You know what? We're gonna call it good enough. I'd like to have a better setup, but I'm not there yet. I'll get there eventually. So hopefully now, if someone says something in the chat, it will show up ideally on the stream itself as well. And that should be that. Why is that? Get out of that. Get out of here, Unity Hub. Get out of here. No one needs you. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, we do have a whole bunch of people here. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your patience. Wow, that took longer than I'd hoped. Okay. Welcome to a game that I'm making. You know, it's a nice little thing. I have flowers. Here, have flowers. Flowers. Bringing a little of the outside into here in this tiny little studio that I am in. Today we're going to continue working on this incredible game, which I will remind everyone is called Recorder Hero. Hopefully everything is working as we left off with it. Where we're able to, again, Dev, thank you so much for your help the other day. Yeah. Where you run into the blocks and they vanish. Okay, so I'm gonna get out. I had a paper in here that had notes on what I wanted to do next, and it might be gone now. I will be 100% honest, I'm not very good at keeping track of random pieces of paper. This was one of them, but it's not the one I was using last time. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Success. Success has been had. Okay. Cool. So, for Recorder Hero, the next thing to do in this is we're going to need to make a main menu. Dev, you don't happen to be in the building, do you? And if not, don't worry about it. A main menu, a level selector, and then teleporting back. I do also want to set up some sort of, play a little bit with the level design, I think, tonight. I really want to, oh, that's right. I need a mouse. I still need to get a mouse. I'm the worst. Well, I've just been busy. Okay, there we go. Continue. Yeah, happy Thursday, everyone. For those of you who are associated with school or whatever, congrats on finishing up the year, or almost finishing up the year. Yeah, academia is a crazy, crazy world. Okay, this is not working. Connected. There we go. There we go. Got it. Okay. So, that means that there's got to be like a shortcut key for the hand tool. I'm certain that there is. Okay. So, we have this beautiful scene in front of us. Right now it's in isometric view, which means that it's not going to shift perspective at all. It's not going to get smaller. Like if we do this, it looks like it's getting bigger in the background, which I kind of love. But I can change that by clicking that. Ooh, there we go. Right now it looks real. So I've been thinking a bit about this and like how we want to do it. I do actually want isometric view though, because that allows us to do this and just sort of manipulate the notes on here from sort of a top-down perspective, and trying to see how they're all set out. I think so. We have a fairly long track. I should before I jump into the level design, actually, though, I should work on getting the rest of this, getting like a main menu and stuff. So we had started a main menu. Go over to the scenes here. Main menu. There we go. Look at that. There's our main menu. So where is our main menu? Main canvas. There we go. There we go. It's still in. There we go. Perspective. That'll help. Okay. So, let's try and make this main menu work. And we had started with that. I had put in some buttons. panel 1 and the button to go with it. Quit button. Level 1, quit, okay. And theoretically, there was a script, yes. There's a script that I did with this. And on click, we need to add some things to this. So I don't think we ever did. And on click of level 1, I want to put this in here. And I want to, I don't know. I want to do something. I'm assuming it's that. Runtime only. That makes sense. I want to only want to be able to use the button when we're in the game. Scene asset.name, and I have the name here, and I've already put in. So, oh, go to level. We had started a script. Get rid of this. Oh, because then we're probably going to activate the script when we click it. Maybe. We had started a script. It's time for script editing. So let's get into this. Let's get into some script editing. This might take a second for the editor to load up. Just a moment. Hi. How y'all doing? Hope things are going well. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of people here. It looks like, I think Sarah, that's you, right? I think Sarah's in here. And Ellie, and Jessica, and Dev. Those are the only people I recognize. Okay. Hi. How you doing, Ellie? Hope things are well. So we're gonna go to the Kablam. I want. Why are you not? Oh, right, because it's not. Okay. Sorry, just a second. Okay. Switching. Forget that you have to redo this every time you start up the thing. Okay. There we go. So we have some script here. The go-to level script. Using Unity Engine, public class go to level, we are calling on the rigid body. We are calling on the public float XOA force. Wait, what? This is not what we want. We don't need this. We just copied a script from before. That's not what I want. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. So I want like a on click, right? Something like that. Right, void on click. Will that work? UI.button.onClick. Let's see. We're gonna read up some documentation. Unity event that is triggered when the button is pressed. Used void start, void task on click. Debug.log, you have clicked the button. That's actually probably a really good idea for me to do right away. For me to go, okay, let's, check that debug.log is reading it, that it's reading the click. So I think that's a good idea for starters. So void, was it just on click? It was task on click. Output this to console when button 1 or button 3 is clicked. Output this to console when button 2 is clicked. I'm a little bit confused by this. Okay, but it looks like I can say public button, button. It said button, public button. I only have public buttons. I don't have any private buttons. On mouse, up as button. That's not what I want. I want to declare my variables. First thing I want to do, right, is declare my variables. I'm definitely do not know how this works. Public button. Attach the script to an empty game object. Okay, to use this example, attach this script. So I'm reading from the Unity documentation about button.onClick. Use this example, attach this script to an empty game object to create 3 buttons. Click and drag the buttons from the hierarchy. Unity Engine.ui. Okay, so I need to say using Unity Engine and then using Unity Engine.ui. Because that is going to call a different set of stuff that will allow me to say public button, probably. Yep, there we go. Hey, the button shows up. I know how to do this. I'm learning. Okay, so I want public button, and then I want, you know, like button 1, button 2 basically is where I'm gonna, this is where I'm gonna, right, because I'm declaring them as public variables, public objects basically. So now I've said public button, and I'm just gonna say level 1. Level button. We're just gonna say level button, right? Because I want this to be more broadly applicable. And then we're going to say void button.onClick, I think. Task on click. UI on click. Task with parameters button clicked in button. No, okay. Void task on task on click. Will that do it? That's what it looks like. It's task on click. Right, it is all caps. Task on click. It's saying that's wrong. Go to level.task on click must declare a body because it is not marked abstract, external, or partial. Yeah, no, I was going to. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was the only problem with that. That's an okay problem to have. Okay. So, and then we want another closing. There we go. Okay, cool. I love the fact that like the Visual Studio actually is. I don't know if this Visual Studio, if this is like Unity itself running this kind of, but it's very good at catching the errors as I type them, which is nice. It's really useful. Okay, cool. So we have task on click, and we want to, let's just do a debug.log for now. And I want, you click the button. Right, there we go. That's it. Oh, I need to end the line. And that's a script. I've now told that to run as a script, and hopefully now, let's see, I need to switch back over to Unity. There we go. Okay, so, right, it has the script attached to it, so hopefully it'll work Although I might want to reload this page. The inspector is not... Yep, okay, Unity's just taking a hot second to rest. Ooh, I've given it too much work. Okay. Come on, Unity, I believe in you. There we go. Hey. Okay, so now we have... That's what I zoomed in. Now we have, see right here, go to level script, level button, none, but I'm going to come in here with this button, attach it here, level 1 button, and that should do it. So now if I hit play, then theoretically, if I go to the console and hit the level 1 button, it should say you clicked a button. It should say you clicked a button. It should say you have clicked. Ah! Okay. These are questions. Wow, okay, I have questions. I have questions. Question 1, why did that not work? I felt like that was pretty simple, but also, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So, okay. Problem solving. Well, you know what I think should happen is I think I should quick pull up some music because music is nice. I'm gonna pull up some music. We're gonna pull up, well, Flick doesn't really work for this. We're gonna keep on the theme of instrumental, you know, Beethoven, Bach, stuff like that. So let's see. Ooh, or we could do Gregorian chant. That's my question. Beethoven, Bach's, you know, classical stuff. I shouldn't lump Beethoven and Bach and Mozart together because they were actually quite different, but not really, right? Or Gregorian chant. I wonder if there's even, my question is there even Gregorian chant on YouTube? And the answer is probably yes. Probably. But I don't actually know. And I'm here to find out. And by I'm here to find out, I mean I'm going to go research that right now. So let's see. Gregorian chant. Gregorian chant. Hmm. 99 chants. Peaceful Gregorian chants. Nah, Gregorian chant sounds boring. Well, it doesn't. I don't know. It sounds interesting. It sounds weird. Maybe I should do it. I don't know. If anyone has any qualms with Gregorian chant, please tell me now. Because I guess I'm playing it for a bit until I get sick of it. Unless someone says something else. A lot of these have, like, you know, maybe this? Ooh, Gregorian chants from Assisi. It just feels like so religious, though. is, I think, part of my problem with it. Let's see, how's that audio balance, that all-important audio balance. Yeah, that's okay, right? So, like, I don't know, like, it's weird, right? Because, like, somehow, like, this feels more intrinsically connected with religious stuff than Mozart and Bach and stuff were, although in many ways they were very religiously connected. I don't know. There are the Gregorian chants in Monty Python. That is very true, and I think an important thing to remember. Um, did that show up? Ooh. Okay. So we could keep going with the Gregorian chants. I'm going to keep going with them for now. If anyone has any qualms with them, I totally understand and I will readily switch it. And I think I will switch it after a short second because I don't know how long I can do Gregorian chant music in the background. But for now, we're doing Gregorian chant music in the background. So if for some reason this did not work, the Unity, this script that I wrote, right? I'm just calling the button and then task on click, I say you clicked a button. So what did I, task on click level button, I need to specify the button somewhere, don't I? That would make sense, right? I want you to go away and I want you to go away. Okay. So, right, theoretically, I want task on click, and then I should put a button there. Why is there not void start? Oh. Calls the task on click, task on button, click one. You click the button. Okay. I'm just going to copy this. Go back over to my script. Here's what we want. Apparently we want hello, hello. Yee. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, no, I mean, Emily and Dia always bring on energy to the place, so I do appreciate that. Welcome, Emily, and welcome, Dia. Hopefully it's working. Why are your what? That's disconcerting. The text chat was working just a hot second ago. I don't know why it's not. I should be seeing Streamlabs labs. This is still very much something I'm working on, Emily and Dia, but theoretically over there in that black box should be the text that you put in the chat place. What? Your date was gay? I am shocked and appalled. Can't you tell by this Gregorian chant in the background that I am very anti-gays? Anti the gays. That's me. Nope. Okay, what is happening? Why am I not able to... Okay, no, it's totally showing up. They're totally showing up. Okay, I wanna take this and make it like a minute. Save settings. Okay. Okay, there we go. That will help. Okay. Da 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 da. Okay. Can't actually hear it. Can't hear the Gregorian chant. Oh, I might not. I might not have activated it. So you can't hear the Gregorian chant and I can? Because that's just funny. I swear it's doing it. Yeah, no, I changed the settings just now. It should persist now. Or if it hasn't, it will when I click the Save Settings button. Nope, it's still not. The website dashboard for the stream chat box is not being very kind to me right now, and I'm not sure why. No, okay, it should be taking a minute now to hide messages. So I don't know why it's not doing that. Hopefully it will alter it soon. Greg Orion chant. Who's Greg Orion? Okay. Because I don't know who Greg Orion is. So hopefully it should persist now. Yeah, it looks like it's actually persisting now. Sweet. Okay. And you can't hear the Gregorian chant right now? To clarify? I can also change it to something else, though. It doesn't have to be Gregorian chant, as I pointed out earlier. But can you or can you not hear the Gregorian chant? Legit, deal, legit. Lag is a very real thing. Okay. So I want this here, so I want level. Okay, level button. Okay. You can't hear it, Dia? But Ellie, you can. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet. Rather intentionally. Yeah, and it's Gregorian chant, so it fades in and out a lot. Okay. I want to say void start. Okay, and then here's where I want this. Level button dot. Level button does not exist in the current context. That's because I didn't capitalize it. There we go. Level button dot on click dot add listener task on click. Okay, void task on click debug dot log. You clicked a button. It should work now. So really, all we're trying to do. This is an absurd amount of stuff. I feel like there might be a quicker way to make this button work. But right now we're going with it. For some reason, I'm so glad. You know, Dev, if you want to come in, I will not stop you. But I think I'm good. I think there's like... It's your call, hon. It's your call. If you want to join, I'm down. If you don't want to join, like, I don't want to hold you up. I am going to be at this for a bit. Oh gosh, there's my warnings. Look at my console warnings down here. I think you can see them. Can you see my console warnings? You can't see my console warnings. No. Here, there we go. There's my console warnings. The field reyeet.yote is assigned, but its value is never used, and the field yeet.yote is assigned, but its value is never used. You know, the classic values, the very important values of yote and yeet. It does look pretty standard boilerplate. Okay, thank you, Emily. So, let's see what happens this time when I click this button. Yeah, Dev, feel free to come on by. I'd love to have you. Just, you know, knock on the door, and I'll let you in. I'm gonna have to move some stuff, but that is okay. Okay. And look at that. Well, you can't see it, but I'll move my consoles up here. When I click on the button, it says you clicked a button down there in the console log. So that's exciting. That means it's working properly, and I'm correctly calling that. I want to see them, Dia. So, okay, cool. There we go. Okay, so now I have the button click gives me some code. So that means now on button click, I want to load up some sort of like level thing, right? So instead of debug.log, you clicked the button, although I can still say that. You clicked level 1. And I want to say, how do I transition to a scene? Like, what would it be? Like, would it be like, you know, new scene Unity? Like, you know, how would I do that? How would I even do that? Not creating a new scene. Scene management dot scene manager dot load scene is probably what I'm looking for. I'm so glad that Unity has such thorough documentation. Can't tell you how useful it is. Scene manager dot load scene. So that looks like what I want it to use. So let's try it. Yeah, Dia, I don't know. Message me on Discord, and I'll see when I can come over. I'm sure. Um, uh, nice. This week has been a bit crazy, a lot of stuff, but my schedule is getting a lot freer, so it'd be lovely to see you. So I did debug.log, and now I want to seaman.load scene manager dot load scene, and it looks like I'm gonna need to give it some specific parameters. Public static void seaman dot load scene using unit void start. Only specifying the scene name or scene build index will load the scene with the single node scene manager.load scene. Asm bundle, head string. Okay, I need to use Unity Engine.scene management. So that's part of it, right? I need to using Unity Engine dot scene management. It's up there. Okay, so there we go. So that should help. And then I want The name scene manager does not exist, so, well, it should. Scene manager. Scene manager. There we go. Dot. It's just a matter of capitalizing to load scene. And then only assignment, call, increment, decrement, wait, and new object expressions can be used as a statement. That would be lovely, Dia. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for messaging. Hmm. 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 You know. Well, it's recognizing both scene manager and load scene, which is good. That's what I wanted. Is there a quick fix? No code fixes available. Assignment, call, increment, decrement, wait, and new object expressions can be used as a statement. So I need to like give it scene manager.load scene. Maybe it needs, I mean, it definitely needs this. Okay. Oh, now it's giving no overload for method load scene. Takes 0 objects. Yeah, no, Dia, that's like, isn't that the life though? Right? Where you're like, I'm really tired. I could just fall asleep. And then you're like, shit, I need to dilate. And then it takes a whole extra hour. Yeah, I need to give it a parameter. So I want a parameter. I want parameters. And what those parameters are, I think that's appropriate. Scene manager.load scene int scene build index integer. Why do I need an integer? Scene build index. Scene build index. That's confusing to me. Check the documentation, Rose. Well, I will, Rose. Thank you for this very helpful blur. You jest, Emily, or do you jest? I don't know. Maybe you don't jest, but I have actually fallen asleep while dilating. It's a very real thing. Hmm. Yeah, functions love parameters. I just don't know what parameter to give it. Like it kind of says what parameters it needs, but integer, what, 1? Integer scene build index. So the scene build index integer. That helps a little bit. Scene. Other scene name. No. Only specifying the scene name or scene build index will load the scene with the single mode. Load scene mode dot single. Okay, yeah, I want that. I need the scene name. So I could say, maybe I could say, yeah. Maybe like, can I do that here? Can I declare that as a variable public scene? Yeah, that's working. Level 1, right? And then, Dia, have you gotten the silicon ones yet? Oh, just a moment. Dev is here. Just a second. Okay. Hello. Welcome. That is fine and dandy. Just unmuting the microphone for that.
Yeah.
Beepity boop. Okay.
Settle in.
Yeah, take your time.
These flowers.
Thanks. I got them at the graduation.
Oh, that's nice.
How are you?
How was that? I'm good.
It's good to hear.
How was the graduation?
It was really nice.
That's cool.
Twitch itself is actually being super laggy, Dia, because in that case I might need to... No, it looks like I've got a whole lot of zero drop frames. So I don't know what's up. Maybe I like them there.
That's fine.
They're totally blocking the view, but whatever. Okay. Okay. Hi. Wait, here, let me... You know what?
So what's up?
Well, first...
Hi. Hello.
Hey,
how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm doing some... You know, I was actually, I think, starting to figure out the whole... Do you need it right now? The whole...
oh, yeah. I mean, it's dead, but I don't need...
Oh, okay. Well, then let's transfer it over right now. There we go.
Awesome.
So I was starting to figure out the whole, main menu and everything with that.
That's awesome.
I think, you know, like, I'm not saying, like, I don't need your help, blah, 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 but, you know, that's not what I'm saying. Like, it's definitely appreciated having you here.
Yeah.
And continue to appreciate having you here. Oh, everyone, hi, this is Dev.
Hi.
They're wonderful and helped last week.
Yeah.
A whole bunch.
Yeah.
Iridium Egg on Twitter.
On Twitter.
And so thank you for that. I honestly think that was like last week was one of the coolest things I've done for this.
So many guests.
It was really cool. I had 2 guests, and it's like kind of like, you know, like I didn't have time to organize that for today, but I really think I want to get more people on here.
Yeah,
like you said, like having Evans on here would be really cool.
Yeah. Savvy just graduated, so
having Savvy on here would be really cool.
Yeah.
I can get Darby to come in.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know, you know, like a whole bunch of people, I think it'd be fun.
Yeah.
I almost wouldn't mind this turning into like game devs chat. Yeah, basically, like, you know, like that sort of thing. So we'll see.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, it's probably because you're too gay. That's definitely why it's not working.
That's a constant problem.
Really difficult. Makes nope, wrong way. I want to do this. Oop.
I know, I'm like, the mic's right there.
Yeah. And we can also, like, that we have, like, an actual audio setup.
Yeah, we cannot let them know.
We can't let them know.
That
there's nothing here. It's all magical.
It's completely natural. You're literally in the room with us.
Hi.
Hey.
It's, you know, it's not too bad of a setup,
it's
honestly.
It's an awesome setup.
We got here, you can't see it.
Yeah, you can't quite see the mixer.
Can't quite see.
There
we go. Hey. So there's the sound mixer. It's got like a whole bunch of shit on it. It's pretty nice. Okay, come on. Back over. Oh, a little too far. There we go.
Zoom. Enhance.
Enhance. I'll enhance the image. Oh, wrong. I keep mixing up direction. There we go. Okay.
Yeah,
so
that works.
Dang, that's upsetting. Yeah, it's not me.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you. Sorry, that really sucks though. Yeah, so I'm gonna heat these on because we got Gregorian chant in the background, which is very exciting.
That's amazing. I love it.
You know, thank you. I thought it would be a nice touch. Okay, so I'm gonna come back over here, where we have the chat visible, which is
Awesome.
nice. That was an innovation on
Yeah.
my part. Other people have done it before, of course, as we're well aware.
Literally the first.
I'm literally the first person.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to also hear you at the same time.
So, were you able to get to click?
I was able to get it to click.
You were able to get it to click?
I was able to get it to debug show. So if I go over to Unity, I did
Yeah.
get the debug.log you clicked a button.
Awesome.
I got that. So that works.
Yeah.
So it's, it's doing that.
Mm-hmm.
So it is successfully calling this, task on click.
Yeah.
Which is good. Now the question is, the next thing I was trying to figure out is how to get the scene into here, and I think, right, because of what arguments this calls. So, right, integer scene build index, but they're basically, from the documentation that I was reading, it basically says that I can make this be the name of the scene. So I'm wondering if I can just go level 1 and then...
you need to pass in a string, I think.
Like that?
Yeah. Sorry, I use jargon a lot, and I don't know what the appropriate amount of jargon
What do you
is.
mean?
So, either for you if you happen to not know, or for the lovely people in the
I
audience.
don't.
Oh, okay.
Please.
So a string is just basically like a thing of text.
Yes.
Like a block of text
Yes.
that you can put into a function, or you can
Yes.
put out onto the screen or whatever.
Uh-huh.
So you know how every language has you do hello world, and the hello world's always in quotation marks?
Yeah.
The quotation marks denotate it as a string.
Yes.
So it's just text that you put in.
Yeah.
So it's
it's
this. Case sensitive.
Yep.
White space sensitive.
Yep.
Everything sensitive.
Yep. Very sensitive.
Incredibly sensitive.
Almost as sensitive as me.
Yeah. Well, So, it's a good thing.
Thanks. Okay, so just doing it like that is okay with quotes around it?
Yeah, alternatively, do you mind going back to Unity? Because this is
to Unity itself?
Yeah, Unity itself.
Okay.
So, you may at this point need to decide the build order, as in what scenes are actually going to be put into the exe or the executable file.
Right.
When you
as opposed to
scenes you want to leave out. If you have a test scene.
Oh, sure. Okay. I mean, the one I'm building isn't a test scene.
Yeah. So, let's see if we can figure this out on Mac. Try just doing the regular Unity menu up there.
What am I trying to do?
You're trying to figure out where you can set the build order.
Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Is it necessary to do that before I have just a main menu?
It's necessary because you're trying to connect two scenes. So the Unity system needs to understand where those scenes are located in the list.
Okay.
So you're basically creating an array of scenes that the Unity editor can access.
Okay, gotcha.
That makes sense.
Okay, gotcha. And it wouldn't just be my assets, because I do have the scenes in my assets.
Yeah, you're just subscribing some sort of order to them.
Okay. So I want to
maybe file build settings.
That seems reasonable. Ooh, scenes in build. Add open scenes.
Add more scenes though.
Okay. That's open scenes.
Yeah, you should just be able to add scenes, but I don't know how. So maybe just open the other one.
That's what I was gonna say. Like I could just
open the
do
other
this,
one. Save
save,
the
and
scene.
then add open scenes.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, good enough.
So now it should be that main menu is a 0th scene, and
And that's what it has here. Has an interval.
yeah. My heart
Okay,
was
so
over
so
the
I'm loading my
first
number.
scene.
I'm loading scene number 1.
Yeah, you're loading scene number 1.
Do I need to hit build here?
No, that like actually compresses it down into a game that you can.
So I can just hit X out.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
If not,
We're fucked. The end. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go back over here to my code, and
yeah,
now
then you
I
should
can
just
say.
be able to put 1.
Now I should say 1.
Yeah. I'm gonna check the documentation real quick. But
I have it open.
oh, nice.
Scene paths. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
No, there's more. Scene manager download scene name. I could have just done that.
Wait, let me scroll up a little bit.
Scene
Scene
manager.
name. Oh, yeah. That's fair.
Scene A number? Scene the number.
The number of scene A.
Yeah. So okay, I can just say the number. Scene manager download scene and then the number.
Yeah.
Is what it looks like. So I should be able to just do that. Is what it's saying?
I think so. I seen to remember that that's how I did it.
So I feel like here's the thing, right? I've noticed that in my life there are certain people that I associate with, the people that I tend to associate with, who very much appreciate puns. And tend to really embrace the making of puns, the crafting of puns, the telling of puns as a method of relating to the world, right?
Yeah.
Which I appreciate and is valid and is not the way I do things, but I respect it. I've learned to respect it, mostly begrudgingly, through mostly my brother, who, John, you're not there right now, I don't think. Why isn't he?
How dare you, John?
Yeah, you know what?
Call him out.
I'm not going to actually call him, but I'm going to message him.
Oh, yeah, I mean, that's what I meant.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
How dare you not?
Yeah. Why aren't you watching the Twitch stream?
Thank you. Puns are the best.
Well, so exactly. So and then I also have, the lovely Emily who is very much into puns, as are you, as are a few other people that I care about very deeply. So it's like, okay, so I have all these awesome people who are super into puns.
Yeah.
So what I'm kind of thinking is, I feel like at some point, not yet, but I feel like at some point I'm basically just going to have to lean into it and start going on the quest, right, to craft puns more than these other people,
I think perhaps your life purpose is to be the person around all these people who just doesn't like puns. To give them the satisfaction of annoying someone with good puns.
Maybe that's it.
Maybe that's it.
Maybe that is it. That's a distinct possibility. That's a distinct possibility. Okay, so theoretically this should work?
Yeah, theoretically.
Yeah.
Index?
No, yeah. Jessica, I am running this on a Mac Air. It's a temporary computer. Okay, so we're gonna save this and see if it...
It's actually, speaking of computer issues, it's really frustrating to, try to get the energy to start a project when I know that this computer sucks and I'm gonna eventually get a new one.
That's legit.
Because I actually have Unity on the Windows side of the computer.
Mm-hmm.
Because I did not want to deal with Unity on the Mac side of the computer because I didn't understand it.
That's fair. I think I need to work on, okay, let's let it load. It's loading. There we go. Okay, console. I want to have the console up, and level 1 button has been clicked. Ah! 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 Ha! 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 Gregorian chant with this is really amusing. Okay. Ah! Wait, I want to try that again. I want to maximize this. Okay. What? This is cool. This is cool. This is cool.
It's a real ass game.
It's a real ass game.
It's a real ass game.
It's, it's not much yet. I still have to make the quit button work. We're going to do that today because that's important.
That I can do pretty easily.
Okay.
That we can do pretty easily. It's literally one line. Just, it's very similar to loading the scene.
Ah! Well, heck.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I also will need to make a death zone
Yeah.
below the level.
Yeah, and that won't be.
I've seen
That arguably won't be
boilerplate
too
code
hard.
for that. That's. Oh, it's still titled Test Stream. Thank you, John. Wow.
Wow, John, you could have been here way earlier.
Wow. I should change that.
Chat room.
Yeah, games with game design
Games
with
design.
Rose. And a special guest. Dev.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's fair.
Yeah, no, that's fair. This is not a test.
This is not a test.
Update information.
What's the,
Valid, John, valid. I wonder if I can, send out another thing? Or maybe it'll automatically send out a thing when I update it? I don't know.
Mayhaps.
Yikes! That's...
Just cut the stream down and go back up for 2 seconds.
I'm tempted. Wait, in the stream, the chat room window is overlaid on top. I'm not seeing that. Yeah, no, I know. That was intentional. As in, you can see the chat room window?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... Oh, it's over the whole game. Oh, because it depends on your screen size. Wait, how is it? Yeah, no, I know it's over the game. I can only... Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. There.
Yeah. Yeah, that works.
I hope...
Yep.
Maybe that'll change it. I know it's still going to be over the game. But the question is it covering all of it? It shouldn't. Actually, that shouldn't be adjusted with screen size. That should just be a thing. Okay, well, and I need to adjust my Twitch chat. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to work on giving it the proper formatting and shit.
Yeah, John, that's entirely fair. I also cry.
Yeah, crying is the appropriate reaction, I think. Okay, I probably just screwed it up because I adjusted the size. Can you type a message in the chat to see if it works?
Oh, I didn't even type hello. I just typed hello.
Ho.
Ho.
Okay, thanks, John. Okay, thanks, John. That was punishment. Yes, I don't know. Okay.
We approve of being
You
by
are, yeah.
We approve of being by here.
We do approve of being by here. It's generally a plus. Okay. Well, cool.
Yes.
Okay. John, that's valid. Thank you for telling me that was still the thing. You know what? Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna stream's gonna go down and come back up. It's gonna go down and it's gonna come back up. So be ready for that. I'll be back in a second. This is just to re-release the announcement. Just a moment. Bye, bye, bye.